Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the AC clutch relay and AC clutch fuse are on this 2007 Chrysler Pacifica. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the algorithm? It's very helpful. So first we're going to pop the hood, and then we will come over here to our fuse box, lift that little tab, and there we got our box open. So on the legend here, you can see right here, AC clutch relay is 52, which is this relay right here. And the AC clutch fuse, which is a 20 amp fuse, is number 39, which is this one right here on the end. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and have a good one.